My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'd like to thank you for joining me today. I'd like to share with you a companion video for the book, The Spiritual Nature of Love. And today's video is Living from Divine Love. Understanding love conceptually is very different from living from it. It is possible to recognize ideas about connection, awareness, and presence, and yet still find that daily life continues to unfold in familiar patterns of reaction, distraction, and interpretation. This is not a failure. It is simply an indication that understanding has not yet become integrated into experience. Living from divine love is not about maintaining a constant emotional state. It is not about always feeling peaceful or patient or connected. It is about awareness. It is about how individuals meet each moment as it arises, rather than how they attempt to control or attempt to define it. Each moment presents an opportunity, not a dramatic one, but a simple one, to notice, to pause, to see clearly. In conversation, this may appear as listening without immediately forming a response. In difficulty, it may appear as recognizing reaction before acting from it. In ordinary moments, it may simply be the willingness to remain present rather than become lost in thoughts. These shifts are subtle, but they are cumulative. Over time, they begin to reshape how you experience. Life feels less rushed, less reactive, more grounded. Not because circumstances have changed, but because awareness is more consistently present. As this continues, love begins to feel less like something that appears occasionally and more like something that is always available. It is no longer dependent on specific conditions or particular interactions. It becomes a steady background presence that informs how individuals see and respond to the world. This does not mean that challenges disappear. It means that they are met differently, with less resistance, with more clarity, with a greater sense of connection. And in that shift, life begins to feel more aligned, not because it is controlled, but because it is being experienced with and through awareness. Thank you for allowing me to share. I wish you love, peace, and joy, and hug someone you love. Thank you.